What if the brain worked while we sleep? Night shift neurons. Ever wondered if your brain actually works overtime while you're sleeping? Yep, while you're dreaming about winning an Oscar or eating 400 croissants without gaining weight, your brain is clocking in for the night shift. Welcome to Crazy Maybe, the channel that loves to make you ask, what if? Today's mind-bending scenario: what if the human brain could work at full capacity while we sleep? Buckle up and feel free to close your eyes. Your brain's still on duty. The brain never sleeps. Surprise! Your brain doesn't go into airplane mode when you sleep. In fact, that's when it puts on its pajamas, grabs its EEG readings, and starts the real work. But it's not staying up binge-watching Netflix. Nope. It's cleaning up useless thoughts, like that awkward thing you said in 7th grade, sorting memories and staying alert, just in case danger strikes, like a scream in the night, a siren, or a crying baby. Ah yes, the tender lullaby of existential panic. The science behind it. Researchers from the University of Geneva and the Institut Pasteur were like, you know what, let's tuck some people in and spy on their brains. So 17 volunteers were sent to sleep in high-tech rooms loaded with sensors. Not exactly a spa, more like Inception meets Survivor. Then came the sounds: real crying, fake crying, gentle noises, and rough sounds. Yes, roughness is a real sound property. It's what makes sirens, screams, and fire alarms so effective. They hit your auditory system with 40 to 100 sound modulations per second. That's basically a sonic slap in the face. These sounds activate your amygdala, the part of your brain in charge of emotions and alertness. Even in deep sleep, if you hear a rough noise, bam, your brain's like, intruder alert. Dash brain on while you're off. Now here's the real crazy maybe moment. What if your brain could fully operate while you're sleeping? Imagine solving problems, learning languages, and finishing emails, all while drooling on your pillow. Scenario 1. Sleep learning. Imagine tapping into those dreamy brainwaves to learn Japanese while you snooze. You'd wake up saying, "Ohayo gozaimasu" with perfect pitch. Or better, sleep on a math book and wake up solving equations. Pro tip: works best with memory foam and open textbooks. Scenario 2. Nighttime problem solving. During REM sleep, your brain generates theta waves, the rock stars of creativity. Artists and inventors often had dreamspiration. Einstein dreamed theories. Paul McCartney dreamed up "Yesterday." I dreamed about ordering sushi with aliens, still waiting for that one to go viral. Scenario 3. Brain metabolism mode on. An active brain at night burns more energy. Waking up starving? That's not laziness, that's neurochemistry, baby. So next time you demolish 3 slices of cake at 7 a.m., just say, "Don't judge me, it's spindle activity." Scenario 4. Danger zone. Overactivation. But too much nighttime brain activity, you risk synaptic burnout. Too much stimulation, tired brain, hypersensitivity, panic over a microwave beep. Nobody wants to wake up screaming because their dream had a Microsoft Teams notification. Pop quiz. Which brainwave is responsible for those famous sleep spindles? A. Beta waves, party all night. B. Alpha waves, chill like a monk. C. Theta waves, Picasso-level creative. D. Spindle waves, the DJs of N2 sleep. Answer: D. Sleep spindles are those little bursts of brain energy your mind fires to defend against disturbances. Basically, your brain shouting, "Shh, I'm dreaming here." Sound and viral power. There's a reason certain TikTok trends pop: sound. Remember, gentle whisper? Everyone whispering like they're leaking nuclear codes. Now imagine the opposite. Rough noise challenge. Sirens, screams, washing machines gone rogue. Rough sounds equals guaranteed attention. But use them wrong, and your content goes as viral as a migraine. If our brains truly went full throttle while we slept, we'd wake up with to-do lists finished, emails sent, and dreams stored as PDFs. But here's the truth: Our brains already perform nightly miracles, even while we dream of flying cows and sentient croissants. So let's let the brain do its thing. Unless you're yelling, "Fire!" or your toaster explodes, leave it alone. If you want your brain to keep getting fun facts, even in REM, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your weirdest dream ever, and smash like if you've ever heard your alarm inside a dream. Catch you in the next video, or maybe in your next dream. Your brain is smarter than you, even asleep. Did you know Thomas Edison only slept 3 hours a night and took power naps like a productivity ninja? Or that Salvador Dali used to nap with a spoon in hand, ready to drop and wake him just before hitting deep sleep? Your brain, even while you sleep, is filing memories, rewiring experiences, and occasionally deciding whether to keep that traumatic 6th grade moment. Rapid-fire brain sleep jokes. Your brain sleeps with one eye open. Like Wi-Fi, always connected, rarely stable. Ever dreamt of dreaming? Congrats, you just installed the Theta Wave 2.0 update. 8 hours of sleep equals free firmware upgrade for your brain. So get some sleep, dream in HD, and if you see a neuron in a suit and tie, shake its hand. It's pulling an all-nighter just for you.